Right now, the markets have been moving along, especially in Forex, gold and indices. If you've been watching charts recently, you'll know it's been pretty fast paced. One day things are pushing up, the next day we're seeing pullbacks, and there's a lot of opportunity if you actually know where to look. But the problem is, most people are checking 5 different platforms just to understand what's going on. And it gets messy really quickly. So what I like to do instead is keep everything in one place. I like to get a quick overview of the markets and then decide what I actually want to focus on. One platform I've been using for that recently is PU Prime. And what I like about it is it's not just for placing trades. It's more of an all-in-one platform where you can actually monitor the markets. You can check different assets and stay updated without jumping between loads of tabs. So when you land on here, you can already see it's set up to give you access to everything in one place, which is ideal whether you're new or already trading. What makes it useful is the range of markets you can actually access. So you're not limited to just one thing. You've got Forex, you've got indices, you've got commodities, metals like gold, shares, and even ETFs all inside the same platform. And that's important, especially for beginners, because it means you can explore different markets without needing multiple accounts across different brokers. So instead of overcomplicating things, you can just start simple. You can learn how one market moves and then branch out when you're ready. Another thing that stands out is the cost side of things, because one of the biggest mistakes beginners make is not paying attention to fees, and that can eat into your profits over time. With PU Prime, they offer 0 commission, 0 transaction fees, and low spreads, which basically means you're not losing unnecessary money every time you enter or exit a trade. And especially if you're trading regularly, that makes a big difference long term. And one thing for me is that I like to trade the USD pairs, so low spreads is extremely important for me to get the entry, to get the correct R&R possible. And like this, you can see on Euro USD, 0.0 spread. So that is as tight as you're ever going to get it. And you can see at maximum goes up to 0.1, then drops down to 0.0. So it's basically the tightest you're going to get.
Our sponsor today is Lead Sniper, and they will help you find quality links even when you think you're in the darkest of places and you can't find any clients. Lead Sniper has been doing this for a long time, and they have worked with thousands of marketers, including myself. And the fact that they want to sponsor us today makes me very happy. If you need targeted data that actually converts, then Lead Sniper is for you. They have a Google Map scraper, they have a Google search scraper, and they have a yellow page scraper, with more tools coming out soon. So go ahead, get in the description, click the links that takes you over to Lead Sniper. Back to the video.
The other thing I personally like is how easy it is to actually stay updated with the markets. Because instead of switching between TradingView, news sites, and everything else, you can monitor price movements and keep track of what's happening directly inside the platform. So if something starts moving, like gold or a Forex pair, you can spot it quickly and decide whether it's worth your attention. And that's key, because trading isn't just about placing trades. It's about understanding what the market is doing first. So if there's red folder news coming out, you know you need to exit that position 5 minutes before that news, because we all know that if there is a news spike and it goes through your stop loss, it's not just the risk that you're losing, it's added on as well because of where it exits. Now, in terms of credibility, PU Prime has built a pretty strong global presence. They've got over 450,000 active clients worldwide. and they've picked up multiple industry awards as well. And for me personally, that just adds a bit more confidence when you're using the platform, especially if you're newer and still figuring things out. Something a bit different as well, especially if you're into football, is that PU Prime is partnered with the Argentina Football Association. And they're actually running a giveaway right now where you can win signed jerseys from players like Messi, Enzo Fernandez, and Martinez, along with some exclusive merchandise. The promotion is running until the 10th of April, so there's still time to get involved. If you want to check that out, you can head over to their social page here. And you can see that it shows everything that they have to offer. 0 commissions, 0 transaction fees, and low spreads. You can also monitor global markets anywhere, anytime, with over 700,000 global active traders. They've got their awards that they've been given, and there is a regional sponsor of Argentina Football Association, which is also a symbol of greatness because they're a fantastic team. So to have your broker signed by champions, that makes a big statement. Definitely go and have a look before it ends. Other than that, that's it for this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.